Growing your hair don't need to be complicated. You just need only one simple remedy that will help you to drive to your waist length or to grow that hair thicker, longer, fuller, or to regrow your edges. On today's video, I'm going to share with you that one powerful ingredient that you need to use to grow that hair to your heart desire, to stop your hair fall, help you for length retention, thicken up your hair, give you that fuller hair you desire. Just all you need to do is to watch this video to the end to get instruction on how to prepare this recipe. Is not only that, and also how to use it to grow that your hair like never before. Our main ingredient on today's video is neem, fresh neem leaf. So this is how fresh neem leaf is looking like. So I'm going to plug it out of the stem now, okay? Only thing we need is the leaf. We don't need the stick, okay? So the property on neem can kill the fungus that cause dandruff. Neem can cleanse and strengthen hair follicles, which can lead to stronger, healthy hair. It's an antioxidant that can prevent premature graying. Neem can help stop itching scalp and dandruff. Neem can kill lice and the eggs. Neem contains vitamins, mineral, and fatty acid. It can also improve hair texture and reduce breakage and split ends. Neem can moisturize the scalp and treat scalp infections. So after plugging it out, so I'm going to wash it. For the measurement, I'm making 1 full hand of my neem, fresh neem leaf. So I'll be washing it 3 times to make sure that this neem leaf is super clean before I can move to the next step. Make sure that you wash your neem leaf, okay? It's very necessary to remove dirty and impurities and dust, okay? You know, we are in dry season, a lot of dust in this period, okay? So I'm going to wash it very well. I wash my 3 times, okay? So this is the first wash. I'll go off camera to wash the other one. So this is the last wash of it, okay? The 3rd wash of it. So next thing I will do now, I will bring in my pot and transfer this my fresh neem leaf into this pot, okay? Do you see how my water is super clean? Make sure your water is clean like this before you stop washing it, okay? So I'll transfer in water to boil it. Make sure the water you're using is also clean. So I'll transfer it on my gas, okay? I'm going to boil this only about 10 minutes, okay? But the fire is not that too high. So I'm going to boil it. At a time, you see how the water will start changing in color. After boiling it for 10 minutes, I bring it down and I allow it to steam for overnight. Allow it to sit for overnight before I will strain it. Keep on watching to see how to use this ingredient to grow your hair like never before. If you really want to thicken up your hair, if you are desire for having fuller hair, this recipe is that recipe you need to hold on. This will help you to give you that fuller hair, thicker hair. And also if you are struggling with lice on your hair, this will help to kill lice on your hair. I mean it, guys. This neem leaf is a must try. This neem leaf is all you need to grow your hair like never before. Only thing you need to do is to be consistent and watch this video to the end to get all the instruction on how to use this leaf to grow your hair like never before. So after allowing this to sit overnight, this is what I have so far. So my neem tea spray is ready to be used. I will use my shifter and my bowel to collect my tea spray, transfer it into my spray bottle. This is how it look like after putting it into my spray bottle. I will show you guys how to apply this for best result and also how to apply it to grow your hair like never before and to treat your scalp, okay? So using this, you don't have anything to lose. You have every benefit in using this neem leaf on your hair. So I'm going to use this to apply on my hair. This spray I would like to sit on my hair, okay? Because that is another way to get the best result, especially if you want to kill lice on your hair. I like this spray to sit on your hair. Guys, using this spray every day for 1 week, say bye-bye to that lice. A trial will convince you. Using this spray on your hair regularly, consistent, in 1 to 2 months, you see how your hair will thicken up. You see how your hair will be full. This will help you to retain length. If your hair always breaking excessively, this will stop that hair breakage. I'm not joking. When you try it, you see what I'm trying to say. I'm not exaggerating. I'm telling you the honest review, the honest truth, okay? Second way to use this tea spray also to grow your hair is to use as a final thing. Rinse after washing your hair, pour it all over your hair, massage your scalp, cover up your hair, and allow it to try some heat. Remove your shower cap or your heat cap. Go ahead and style your hair. Don't raise it out. But I'll tell you, to use it as a leave-in tea spray is the best way to use the tea spray for you to have that massive hair growth. This tea spray is a must try. If you have not been trying other of my tea spray in this channel, try this one. Be consistent with it. You will run and come and tell me thank you. This tea spray will give you that length desire, that fuller hair, thicker hair that you desire, to help to stop your hair breakage, and also help to reduce your split end, and also help to delay premature green on your hair, okay? How many times can you apply DT spray on your hair? Apply DT spray 3 times in a week. You can also use it every day, okay? Believe me, anyhow you DT spray, you're going to see massive results on your hair. Storage. Store this only but 5 days. Once it's 5 days, discard the remaining one and make a fresh batch, okay? If you don't have fresh neem leaf, if you have neem powder, you can also make use of it. The neem powder, just put 1 tablespoon of it, add in hot water, cover it up, allow it to infuse for 12 hours, okay, or 8 hours. Strain the water, you are good to go. And also, if you want to know how to make neem leaf powder, that video will be coming up very soon. I have a video on how I make neem powder. If your hair is low porosity, and whenever you do this spray, massage your hair very well. Whether low porosity or no low porosity, massage your hair very well. But if you have low porosity, whenever you do this spray, make sure you cover up your hair. Allow your hair to try some heat, 20 minutes or 15 minutes. Remove your shower cap and allow your hair to air dry. Whenever you do this spray, make sure you moisturize your hair. If you're using it every day, don't moisturize your hair every day. Like, don't put leave-in condition every day on your hair. You can put it every other days, okay? I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. If you don't understand me, ask me what you don't understand in this video in the comment section below. I will give you more clear explanation. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching today's video the same way I enjoy filming this video. Grow your hair healthy, longer, fuller, without you doing too much, without you breaking the bank, okay? If today is your first time stopping by in the channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Believe me, you're not going to regret it, okay? Join this video family by subscribing, and once you subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so as to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And help me to like this video, okay? It really encouraged me a lot to put out more good content out there, and also it helped the growth of the channel. My returning subscriber, thank you so much for always come back to watch my videos. I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys so much. Please share this video to your family and friends and your well wishers so that they can get the good news on today's video. So this will be ending today's video. I hope you enjoy watching this video. See you guys on my next video. I love you guys so much, but God loves you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.